As we know, the demographics of the department, particularly that of graduate students, are not on par with the rest of the demographics in the US. This reform intends to increase the number of grad applicants by employing strategic partnerships with minority-serving institutions, such as historically Black colleges and universities, Hispanic-serving institutions, tribal colleges and universities, and Asian American and Pacific Islander-serving institutions. Successful implementations of similar partnerships in STEM exist, such as the FISC Vanderbilt Master's to PhD program, which has led FISC to be the top producer of Black students receiving master's degrees in physics, and Vanderbilt to be the top producer of minority scholars receiving PhDs in astronomy, physics, and material science. Besides the FISC Vanderbilt model, potential implementation strategies could entail, at the very least, of sending department representatives to these schools to encourage students to apply grad school and to MIT. By partnering with the school, both colleges would be able to examine potential gaps in student preparation and curricula, which our department might be implicitly and systematically rejecting applicants against. Another potential implementation strategy would be to build formal relationships between faculty to promote research collaborations. In terms of resources, this reform would entail of at least one full-time employee to serve as the external liaison between MIT and other universities, and also to provide adequate compensation and or flexibility to students and faculty who volunteer to speak and serve as department representatives at other schools. In general, this reform aims to increase the number of URMs in our applicant pool, tackling part of the diversity challenge that the department is facing, which is a first step towards an inclusive environment where everyone feels heard and represented. Thank you for listening.